How to make money online with YouTube Shorts. Earn $1,100 per day. I'll show you how to take advantage of YouTube, obtain millions of views, and earn an average of $1,100 per day on the platform. This video is perfect for those who are looking for a passive income and want to create YouTube videos but are not comfortable appearing on camera. With the help of ChatGPT, I'll explain how to accomplish this goal by using YouTube Shorts, which do not require you to show your face or voice. For sure, at the end of this video, you'll get so excited to start this great money-making opportunity. YouTube has offered an amazing deal, better than TikTok and Instagram, by proposing that creators receive 55% of their earnings from YouTube Shorts. While we're aware that money doesn't come easily, YouTube has created an opportunity for creators to earn a significant income. However, this can only happen when you know exactly what you'll be doing. You may have known certain people who are earning up to $2.4 million annually by creating and sharing YouTube Shorts with minimal effort. I personally experienced earning a substantial amount on YouTube. I can confidently say that YouTube is the best platform to use if you're planning to be a video content creator. YouTube is a great place to earn passive income. Once you upload a video, it remains accessible indefinitely. Unlike other platforms, YouTube does not lose its popularity. It continues to grow and expand and remains at the top among social media platforms. Earning $1,100 daily through YouTube Shorts can be difficult for beginners, to be honest, but it's not impossible. You simply have to determine the number of views required each day to achieve this amount. To make it easier to understand, I'll divide the process into 3 parts. First, creating the content, second, getting the video done, and third, publishing the video. Selecting a niche is the first step before creating any video. I suggest visiting ChatGPT and requesting a list of the top 10 or 100 high-paying YouTube niches. This list will provide you with the most profitable niches, and from there, you can choose the one that interests you. The importance of choosing a niche is that people subscribe to a YouTube channel based on their interest in or liking for a particular video, and they somehow expect to watch more similar content in the future. If you post diverse videos such as a vlog one day, a cooking video the next, and a gym video the following day, viewers won't subscribe because it's unpredictable and not aligned with their interests. It's really important to provide consistent content that aligns with your niche to keep viewers engaged and loyal to your channel. According to ChatGPT, finance is ranked as the top niche, and I can say that it's also a very lucrative one. Now, for the purpose of this video, let's choose finance, and we'll create a video on how to invest in the stock market. Now that we've identified our niche, I'll request that ChatGPT suggest some viral video ideas related to investing. I've decided to choose how to trade for beginners as our topic and take it to YouTube. To proceed with the next step, you'll require a Chrome extension called TubeBuddy. Search for it on Google and you can easily install it, and it's free. Once you're on the YouTube homepage, click on the TubeBuddy icon and navigate to the Keyword Explorer tab. Then go back to ChatGPT and provide a topic for which you require a title. As an example, I asked ChatGPT to suggest 10 viral video topics on how to trade for beginners. Now that I have a list of 10 options, I will choose one. The title I've settled on is How to Build a Successful Trading Plan as a Beginner. I'll copy this title and paste it into TubeBuddy's Keyword Explorer to see if it's a good option for our video or not. Next, we have to create a video script on the topic of how to build a successful trading plan as a beginner. Let's go back to ChatGPT again and ask for a script based on the video title we've chosen. Usually, ChatGPT would make a really long script, but we can't use it, so let's ask ChatGPT again to make the script shorter, which is perfect for YouTube Shorts. Finally, the script has just 2 steps and it's more appropriate for creating a YouTube short on the topic. I'll now copy the video script we have, and the next step is to create the actual video. There are different options available to create the video depending on whether you're using a phone or a computer. For those using their phones, they can use an app called CapCut to create their videos. However, if you're using a computer, it's recommended to use software like Adobe Premiere Pro or the browser-based InVideo software. InVideo is browser-based software that allows you to create videos directly on their website without the need to download anything. For this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use InVideo. To begin creating a new video in InVideo, I'll first log into my account. Once logged in, I'll click on the Create New, located in the top right corner, and select the Editor option. Although there's also an option to use pre-made templates, I prefer using the editor as it provides more flexibility and options that I can choose from. To start creating our video, we'll choose the portrait orientation since we're making YouTube Shorts. Now let's choose relevant videos that align with the topic of investing or finance. Let's click on the Videos tab in the left-hand corner and type in keywords such as finance, investing, stock market, banks, trading, money, or any other relevant term that matches the theme of our video. To import the selected footage into your video, click the plus button and then click on Add. Once added to the timeline, you can resize the footage to ensure it fits in the center of the screen. You can manipulate the footage on the timeline by dragging it to make it shorter or longer, depending on your preference. Given that YouTube Shorts have a maximum duration of 1 minute, we'll create a short video. What we need now is a voiceover for this video, and I'll show you how to do it entirely automatically. To create an automated voiceover, you'll need to click on the VoiceOver Automated Text-to-Speech option. Since this video is completely automated, you won't be using your own voice, but rather an automated voice. To generate the voiceover, simply copy the script provided by ChatGPT and paste it into the text box provided by InVideo. From there, you can select the language and accent of your choice. Once you've made your selection, click Generate Voiceover, and the software will read the script for you with your chosen accent and language. If you're happy with the voiceover, add it to your timeline. If there's anything else that you need to scale or manipulate on the voiceover, you can do so. At this point, we have our voiceover in our footage, but we'll still need to add music to the video. Let's go to the Music tab, and here we can browse through various moods, genres, and sound effects. Click on the Genres tab and select a genre that fits your video. For instance, I'm going to choose a very calm and chill track. If the music track appears larger than your video when you add it to your timeline, simply adjust its size by dragging it to fit the length of your video. Make sure that the quality of your video is great before exporting. It's important to listen to it and check if the music is too loud or too low. If the music is too loud, you can easily adjust the volume by clicking on the volume and fade option and lowering it to the desired level. Make sure to listen to the video again and ensure that the music volume is comfortable for the viewer. Once you're satisfied with the final result, you can proceed to export the video and save it to your computer. You've successfully created an automated YouTube short. Click on the Export button located in the top right corner of the screen, choose the best quality if available based on your plan, and then click on Export. Wait for a few minutes for the software to render the video, and once done, the video will automatically download to your computer or mobile phone if it's compatible. Remember, it's important to understand that success on YouTube doesn't happen overnight. You should keep in mind my own experience with YouTube, where I didn't earn anything in the first years, but eventually went on to earn $10,000 and even $30,000. Consistency and improvement are keys, as each video you post contributes to your overall success. Finally, I want to share with you a trick to earn more money from YouTube. This is achieved through affiliate marketing, where you sell products to viewers while they watch your videos. For example, to make $1,100 per day, you would typically need 63,000 views on your shorts. By using affiliate marketing, you can make the same amount of money with only half of the views. You can use platforms such as ClickBank to find products that match the audience watching your videos. Once you have the affiliate link, you can use bit.ly.com to shorten the link and avoid using the long and unattractive affiliate link. Again, you need patience and hard work for this, so make sure that you're willing to invest time and effort in creating YouTube Shorts. Thank you for watching, and I hope it was helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments. Stay tuned for the next video, and have a great day. See you soon.